Hey there, fellow Blender enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to a game-changing add-on that's going to revolutionize your Blender workflow. I'm talking about Animtoolbox. In this comprehensive review, we're going to dive deep into the features of Animtoolbox, explore its capabilities, and learn how to leverage its power to take your animations to the next level. So, without further ado, let's jump right in. First things first, what exactly is Animtoolbox? Well, it's an incredible add-on developed by the talented Tal Hershko, aimed at enhancing your animation workflow in Blender. Whether you're a seasoned animator or just starting out, Animtoolbox has something for everyone. From editable motion trails to powerful rigging tools and everything in between, Animtoolbox is packed with features designed to streamline your workflow and unleash your creativity. And the best part? It's compatible with multiple versions of Blender, so you can use it with confidence, no matter which version you're using. Let's take a closer look at some of the key features of Animtoolbox. Editable Motion Trails. With Animtoolbox, you can manipulate keyframes directly in the viewport with ease, thanks to its Editable Motion Trails feature. This makes refining your animations a breeze, allowing for greater control and precision. Temp Controls Module. The Temp Controls Module offers a range of functionalities, from baking selected bones to temporary control rigs, empowering animators to work more efficiently and effectively. Riggertoolbox. For those of you into rigging, Animtoolbox's Riggertoolbox is a game changer. It provides a set of tools for creating customized rigs, merging rigs seamlessly, and more, making rigging tasks a breeze. But wait, there's more. Tal Hershko has an ambitious roadmap for Animtoolbox, with plans for even more exciting features in the future. From smart bake options to improved motion trails and additional in-betweeners, the future of Animtoolbox looks bright. In conclusion, Animtoolbox is a must-have add-on for any Blender artist looking to take their animations to new heights. Its powerful features, intuitive interface, and future roadmap make it a game-changer for the Blender community. So, what are you waiting for? Give Animtoolbox a try and see the difference it can make in your workflow. Well, that wraps up our comprehensive review and tutorial of Animtoolbox. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy animating.